Okay guys, so this is the next day and we have live bait right there in the bucket. Okay, we have a barbel set up because we are fishing for barbel. Always feel like a good fight every once in a while. And right there, right over there, I don't know if you guys can see that. Wait, let me show you. Now the thing is, everybody's probably going to be saying, oh yeah, you can't put the barbel so close to the bank. Yes you can, because number one, there are always bass coming in and out between these reeds here, and I've caught multiple bass right here, like under 10 minutes. I've got my setup there. It's a Daiwa Crossfire 6'6", medium heavy with a, I'm not sure what make of reel that is, but anyway, it's 12-pound line with a bobber, and then about 60 centimeters or 50 centimeters of line, and then a bait holding hook. Now I'm going to be fishing for bass, and my sister, I'm apologize for the bad audio. I just realized I had my hand over the mic. Anyway, okay, so my sister's fishing for barbel, I'm fishing for bass, and I'll keep you guys updated and we'll see if we can catch one. So let's see what happens. We put another tilapia out there, and this is what it was. Well, a nice bass. It's about 1 kg. Yeah, look at, he's been hooked. That's probably from my other hook. It's been ripped out, and it's fresh, like a fresh hook there that just went through. Okay, it's a very long fish, I must say. Now, I just want to check if there's any tail fins down his throat. I don't know if this is the bass that ate the other two. Very long fish, I must say. Long fish. I think there is the other tilapia. We went through 2 tilapia to catch this guy, and we lost that one earlier. Now, okay, beautiful fish. Let's get a dip in the water with this guy. Okay, look at that fish, eh? It's a beautiful fish. This fish put me through a lot of stress. But anyway, I definitely think this is the one that took our other bait, Nana. Look at that. Okay, gonna get a release on this fish. Oh, look, he's chomping my hand. Look at him. Got a giant tail there. He had some real power. Definitely a nice fish. I'm gonna say bye to this fish. Bye bye, guys. Crystal clear water. Overcast day. Live tilapia. Took us 3 tilapia to catch that fish. Broke off once, lost another one which you guys did not see. I apologize. The GoPro's battery just died. I'll work on getting a better angle.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, currently on right now. Not sure if it's a nice one. It's got me. Oh, it's okay. He's small. Okay. Nice bass. I apologize for the sun. Okay, welcome back guys. We're just sitting on the grass. We are live bait fishing. I've got a tilapia in the water with a running sinker and a swivel. Just dropped down right here about a foot out from the bank. It's early morning. I don't know if you can see that. So far we have not caught anything. My sister had one that got ripped off the hook. Oh, there's a bite now. But anyway, we'll keep you guys updated and see if we can catch one. Hopefully we can, I don't know, we'll just have to see. Anyway, see you now. What's another one? I'm telling you, live bait. Look at that. There he is. Almost pulled the rod up my hand. Now I'm using a treble hook because I ran out of all my other hooks that I normally use. Look at that, right on the roof of the mouth, right there, barely hooked as well. Nice bass. So if you ever want to just go maybe on a day and just catch bass for fun and just sit, talk to each other or your friends or sisters, whatever, you don't really want to fish with this, use live bait. Look at that fish. If you got a photo, this guy has been hooked again. He's hooked before, right in the corner of the mouth, right there. Anyway, let's get a release. Okay, bye bye dude. Anyway, so if you guys ever want to just have fun, so what I'm using, sliding sinker right there, swivel and a treble hook. I was using a normal hook, but I ran out of a whole packet or two, so anyway, I'll show you guys, or I'll tell you guys if we catch another one. What we are doing, this is all we're doing, putting the rod down, bail's open, but I got the brakes on 10 this side just to give it a little bit of resistance, and I got the tension rod up just a bit. Okay, and I don't know if you can see it, the water is crystal clear and the tilapia is just right there, so it's about a foot out from the bank. Okay, we just dropped it right there. Now the bass are going to come swimming past here all the time. They go under the bank, they just sit here everywhere, and they're going to find that tilapia and eat it. We got my sister's rod over there. Now I know I never actually film me setting the hook, and I know I'm going to work on that. Just bear with me guys, I'll start doing that, but I know I don't, but I'm going to try get the next one. So let's see if we can do that.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the
oh yeah, and then the other bass, the one that you guys,
creating an imaginary
the first one, right? So what happened to the first one is we had to cut the camera because he swallowed it too deep and he was bleeding out. So I had to revive him and he swam off good, but I don't know, the hook was still in him. I hope he survives, but if not, then nothing you can really do. But anyway, see what happens. Guys, I'm currently fishing with my sister. It's just, okay? Now, something amazing just happened. We realized, okay, she caught this bass now on the left to the top tilapia, right? Now, if you look at the bass's mouth, right there, in the beginning of the video, I caught this exact fish. There's the mark of my hook, and right there is that other mark I showed you guys. So that is actually, there you are. That's actually really amazing. She caught a fish I caught, what, yesterday? No, the day before. Yeah. Okay, 2 days ago. And in the same spot, right here on the live bait. We're not casting it out. That fish, the same fish, got taken right here on the live bait, exact same spot. So I don't know if he lives somewhere around here, I don't know, but that's pretty amazing to catch the same fish. But anyway, I'm gonna get a release. Okay, we're gonna get a photo and then we're gonna release. Okay, she's gonna throw it back now. And there he goes. And I must say, this water is crystal clear. I think I might just get you guys some underwater footage. Like, film a bit, maybe a live tilapia under the water to show you guys what it looks like. But otherwise, he was ripping the rod, like it was on the stick here, and we saw this whole rod just the drag was loose, right, and the rod just got pulled, but lucky the stick was holding it, so we didn't lose it. But anyway,